Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we make an Asian recipe. This one has the typical sweet, salty, spicy flavors that I love in Asian cuisine, and this one is also very quick and simple and easy to make. It hardly takes 10 minutes. I don't even think it took me 10 minutes to make. So super easy, super simple, super flavorful. Let's show you guys how to make the shrimp noodle stir fry. Here we have 150 grams of shrimp. One red pepper that we've cut into long slices. You can use any vegetables you want. 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, which tends to be thicker. 1 tablespoon of honey. A little bit of chili flakes, as much as you want, depends on how spicy you like things. A clove of garlic. A little bit of sesame oil and a handful of sesame seeds. So of course our first step is cook the noodles. We have regular egg noodles over here, about 3 portions that we've cooked in water. We haven't added anything to it because we're already gonna have salt in everything, so we're just going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. So we've heated the wok, and to it we're adding our soy sauce, the other soy sauce, honey, and our shrimp, and we're going to caramelize them. So we're going to caramelize them on high heat until they get, of course, the caramelized color, the nice golden brown color. Now that they look nice and caramelized, we're going to take them off the heat, and we're going to also strain our noodles, which are about done right now. So to the same wok, we're not going to clean it. We're going to add a little bit of soy sauce and the sesame oil. Next, we're going to add in the pepper because we can't saute the garlic immediately. It will burn otherwise. So we're just going to saute them a little bit. We don't need to cook them because we still want that crunchiness from the Asian cuisine, Asian flavors. And now we're going to add in the garlic. And the chili flakes. So after a few minutes of sauteing, now we're going to add the noodles, and we're just going to mix those. So just to give it that nice color, we're going to add some soy sauce. And we're going to mix that around. So after mixing that together, we're going to add the shrimp. We'll give it a gentle toss, and then we can serve it. After we've served them into our bowl, we're just going to garnish them with some sesame seeds. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, I think I personally really like the touch of the peppers because it adds that nice pop of color. The sesame seeds too. It smells amazing, and I can't wait to try it. So let's try one. It's definitely one of the most delicious. It has the kind of flavors that I like, which are sweet and salty. I really like that combination of sweet and salty foods. Personally, I think it could use more heat, a little bit more chili flakes maybe, because I don't really taste the spice much. Yeah, I think it's very easy to make. It doesn't take much time either, and I just highly recommend it if you like the sweet, salty, spicy flavors. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!